So, good evening, sir. So, ito po yung yung sa sagot po ng exam ko sa midterm. So, ang unang question po ay retrieve all primary products from the database and organize them based on size. Tapos po, ilalagay po natin yung code niya. So, lagyan natin yung select. Tapos, lagay pa natin yung select from found product order by per size. Select. Yan. Then go. So, yan po, sir. From large to small po siya. Yan po yung sizes po niya. Then, the next question. Obtain products set to expire in August from the product table. So, lagay po natin yung select from product or month expiration date equals 8. Close parenthesis pa pala, tapos expire date equals 8 semicolon, then error. Then go. So, ayan po siya, sir. Ayan po yung sa months. Ito po siya mag-expire. Then, next naman po ay calculate the total sales from the product cart table, including product name, size, and quantity. So, ang quantity, dapat po ano ba siya? Select PC, then product name, Tapos PC size. PC product. Quantities. Tapos load. PP price. Then product quantities. As total sales from product card, PC, let's join product, front product, P on PC.C, ID, calls, P.FP, ID, then go. Sayang po siya, lumabas po siya. Yung product quantities. Yung product name, product quantities. Tapos yung total sales. Then next is retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. So, lagay natin yung select from sales group by data. Data uploaded. So, I have a product name. Round. And product quantity. Order by date uploaded. Tapos, so next is determine the number of entities in the product card table. Select count from product card and then go. So ayan po siya, sir. Ang count po niya ay 11.